Today is a great day, and today we are going to have an amazing conversation. Just kidding. Please, Vanshika, tell me something about yourself.
My name is Panchika Suresh Gupta and I am 12 years old and I am in 7th standard.
Okay, can you tell me the name of your school?
My school name is Rosie Public School.
Tell me your daily routine.
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Not past activity, daily routine, daily, everyday activity.
I wake up at the 6 o'clock. After that I brush my teeth and then I take a bath. After that I take my lunch and then
Okay,
I I watch my mobile and then I
I watch my mobile. So, what do you watch in smartphone?
I watch YouTube shorts.
Okay. Do you like funny YouTube shorts or do you like horror types of YouTube shorts?
I mostly like a horror types of shorts.
Okay. Can you tell me what did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Today is Friday, right? So what did you do on Thursday?
Like a daily routine type.
No, past activity. What did you do yesterday? Daily routine means we do every single day. And something happened in the past means we did yesterday. Like I woke up, I went to college, I came home, something like that. Please try.
I woke up at I think I woke up at 7:15 and then
Mm-hmm.
I brushed my teeth. After that I took a bath.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got ready for my school
Mm-hmm.
and I went to my school and then I came back at home and then I took my lunch and then I slept.
Can you tell me something about your friend? Any friend? Tell me the name. What does she like and dislike?
Her name is Gia and she is my friend and her name is Gia and she mostly like to eat Chinese foods
Okay.
and she doesn't like to eat very simple food.
Now imagine there is a girl named Priyanka. Okay, and you don't know about Priyanka at all. Just tell me about her daily routine.
Her name is Priyanka and she wakes up she
Daily routine. Wakes
She
up.
wakes up at 10 o'clock. After that, she brushes her teeth and then takes a bath and then he takes her lunch and then she get she get ready for her college and then she she go her college and
She
then
goes to her college.
goes her college and then she came back at home. She come back.
Did you wake up at 9 o'clock today?
Yes, I wake up at 9 o'clock today.
Listen again. Did you wake up at 9 o'clock? Past tense.
No,
Yeah, no,
I don't wake up
I
at.
did not. It's okay, it's okay. Listen again. Did you come at 9 o'clock today?
No, I didn't come at 9 o'clock today.
Right. For how long have you been going to school? 8 years, 6 years.
7 to 8 years.
Could you give me complete answer? Complete. I
I
have been.
I have been going school from 8 to 9 years old. From 8 to 9 years.
Not from, for
For
8 to
eight
9
to
years.
nine years.
For how long has your father been working?
My father has been working for I think I don't know but 11 to 12 years old.
11 to 12 years old. No, 11
11
to
to
12
12 years.
years. Okay, right. Does your mother cook biryani?
Yes, my mother cooks biryani.
When does she cook biryani?
When my grandfather says cook the biryani, the when my mother cooks biryani,
Does your mother cook non-veg biryani or veg biryani?
my mother's cook non-veg biryani.
Okay. Uh, do you like biryani?
No, I don't like biryani.
So what do you like?
I like Chinese food.
Okay. What is your favorite dish? Not apart from Chinese. Any other dish you like?
Yes, I like pav bhaji.
Pav bhaji. Okay. When was the last time you ate pav bhaji?
I think I was last time ate my pav bhaji 4 to 5 weeks ago.
Oh, I had
I
pav
had
bhaji
pav
5 to 6 days ago.
5 to 6 weeks
Days,
ago.
weeks ago. Okay, right. When did you wake up today?
I wake up at 9 o'clock.
When did you wake up today?
I
Past tense, right?
I
Did you?
woke up at 9 o'clock.
Pass. Thank you so much for coming, and it's been pleasure talking to you.